Hi, it's Gita. Welcome to Answer the Question. This is Swamp Watch, following an appeals court ruling that upheld a federal court order saying President Trump's application of tariffs had exceeded his legal authority. President Trump issued a new executive order this week that modified the scope of reciprocal tariffs and which established procedures for implementing and modifying trade agreements. That order immediately changes the tariff status of a number of goods, excluding them from the reciprocal tariffs. New items that have been added to the list of exclusions from reciprocal tariffs include certain types of gold, pharmaceutical products, and certain critical minerals. Some items that had previously been excluded have now been re-included in the reciprocal tariffs, including hydroxide, resin, and silicone products. The new order also creates a new potential tariff adjustment for aligned partners list. This list creates new categories of products such as airline parts, generic pharmaceuticals, and certain natural resources for which the president may be willing to apply most favored nation tariff rates, potentially 0%, for any nation that successfully concludes a new trade agreement with the United States. Given the fact that two courts have ruled President Trump's use of emergency powers to enact tariffs as illegal, with that issue likely to be decided by the Supreme Court in November, this new order shows how President Trump is using tariffs as a strategic tool to get better trade agreements in place, and how he's trying to accelerate that prior to that Supreme Court ruling being issued.